Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In the last video, I have shown you how to download and install Power BI Desktop. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the Power BI Desktop interface. So in Power BI Desktop interface, you have options to connect with various data sources where you can connect starting from the flat files to any kind of server related sources or any web sources. So there is three views, particularly report view, data view and a model view. When you connect to any kind of data, you would be able to see the report view where you are going to drag and drop the visualizations which you want to create according to the data you have connected to. And then data view will give you the preview of the tables or the sheets which is loaded into the Power BI. Model view, in case if you want to create the relationship between the data which is connected between the tables or the sheets, you can go through the model view. You can create n number of pages in a particular report. So you have multiple visualizations. You can use any kind of visualizations. Let me go through with the actual interface. So once you have installed Power BI Desktop, you can just double click on it. So this is the interface of Power BI Desktop. So here you have options to connect with the various data sources. So you can connect to Excel or Power BI data sets. So Power BI data sets is the data which is actually published into the Power BI services, or you can connect to the Power BI data flows. I will explain you what is Power BI data flow later. You can directly connect to the SQL Server, analysis services, CSV file. So these are in the recents. If you go to more, so here you can see all the options which Power BI supports. So these are the flat files supported where you can connect to Excel, CSV, XML, JSON, or it can be specified in any metadata folders, PDFs or SharePoint folder. And these are the supported server related data sources. You can also publish your data into the Power BI platform like Power BI datasets, data flows, common data services and all. We will be exploring this later. Microsoft Azure, since it is a Microsoft product, you can directly connect with your Azure. And you can also pull data from the web sources using online services. You can also see the other supported data sources like where you can connect with the R script or a Python script, OLTP or OLDB data sources. As I said, when you connect to any data source, you would be able to see the report view, the data view and the model view. And here you have the various kinds of visualizations which is supported, which will just based on the data you have chosen, you can create these visualizations. For example, let me connect to a data. So first let me show you how to connect to an Excel source. So click on the Excel. So I'm connecting with this particular file. So here you can select which sheets you want to connect to. And this is the preview of the sheet which I have selected. And you can give load data, or if you want to give transform data, it will take you to the query editor. See, this is the Power BI query editor. So here you have options to edit your data. Suppose you want to select any particular, or you want to sort your data, or you want to remove any columns, remove any number of rows. So all these things you can do in the Power BI query editor. I will do a separate video on the details of Power BI query editor. So when you want to transform your data according to your business needs, you can use this Power BI query editor. So you can just, once the changes is done, just give close and apply. So now if you click on the report view, where you can directly select the values from here. For example, let me select country and sales. Since we have selected a geographical field, it automatically gives you a map view. Let me select one more, segments and profit. See, it is giving you a table view. So like this you can create as many visualizations. You can also create a number of pages. And here you can see the preview of your data. And if you want to add any new columns, new measure, you can add it from here also. And if you have more than one table or more than one sheets which you have connected from the file, you can go to the model view where you can create the relationships. And for each visualizations, you have certain properties. So based on that, you can change the colors, values, etc. So we will be seeing in detail about each visualizations in the coming videos. And once your report is over, you can directly publish this into the Power BI services. In the next video, let me connect to an Excel and we will create a report and we will publish into the Power BI service. Hope this video is helpful for you to understand the desktop interface. Thanks for listening. Thank you.